Now, the third function of microbes in industrial product is in chemicals, enzymes and other bioreactive molecules. केमिकल्स कौन कौन से केमिकल बनाने में जो है माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म यूज़ होते हैं. इन केमिकल्स वी हैव टू ऑर्गेनिक एसिड्स एंड एल्कोहल्स. Organic acid like acetic acid is prepared by acetobacter, which is used in preparation of vinegar. Citric acid prepared by fungus Aspergillus niger. It is used in this citric acid is used in dyeing, preparation of inks, medicine, flavors and food preservatives. Butyric acid prepared from Clostridium butylicum. It causes rancidity. Lactic acid prepared from Lactobacillus is used in confectionery essence, fruit juice and pickles. Glycolic acid, which is prepared from Aspergillus niger, it is a source of calcium for infants, cows and lactating mothers. Alcohols like methanol, ethanol, propanol and butanol, they are prepared from microorganisms like Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is a yeast, that is unicellular fungus, mucus, mucor and rhizopus, and these alcohols they are used as important industrial solvents. Now the next is enzymes. The various enzymes they are prepared from different microbes like proteases. Proteases are prepared from Aspergillus species and the Bacillus species. They help in clearing beer and whiskey. They help in cleaning of hide and they help in softening of bread and meat. Clearing the hide, hide मतलब जो एनिमल्स के ऊपर जो उनकी स्किन है उसको नीचे बाकी बॉडी से अलग करने में ये हेल्प करते हैं. अगर उनको स्किन को प्रोटीएज में डिज़ोल्व कर दें तो पूरी की पूरी जो ऊपर की स्किन खाल है वो उतर के आ जाएगी. Amylases, which are prepared from Aspergillus species, Rhizopus and Bacillus species, they help in softening and sweetening the bread. They help in production of beverages like beer and whiskey, and they help in separation of textile fibers. Lactases prepared from Saccharomyces fragilis, they prevent crystal formation in ice cream and processed cheese. These tick marks are the NCERT examples. Streptokinase. Streptokinase is prepared from Streptococcus. It helps in removing clots from blood vessels which have undergone myocardial infection, and this disease may lead to heart attack. This is important. What is the function of streptokinase? So it helps in removing of blood clots in the blood vessels. Another is pectinases. Pectinases is prepared from Mesoclimus. It helps to clarify bottled juices. जैसे अगर हम घर में जूस बनाते हैं तो उसमें तो फाइबर्स होते हैं बीच में, वो उतना क्लियर और ट्रांसपेरेंट तो नहीं, बिकॉज द कलर्स आर प्रेजेंट इन द जूसेस. तो अगर हम ये पैक्टिनेज एंजाइम ऐड करते हैं तो उसमें कोई फाइबर या कुछ ऐसा नज़र नहीं आता. टू क्लैरिफाई बॉटल जूसेस दिस एंजाइम इज एडेड and it is also used in preparation of green coffee. Lipases, it is which is prepared from Geotrichum candidum. It is used in detergent formulations. It helps in removing oil stains in the laundry. जैसे कपड़ों पे कोई ऑयल का स्टेन हो या कुछ हो तो वहाँ पे हम सोप लगाएं तो वो उतर जाता है. और हमने पढ़ा है हाउ the soap is prepared. It consists of 3 molecules of fatty acid and 1 molecule of alcohol, that is glycerol. So this enzyme lipase, it helps in removing the oily stains in the laundry. So these are the important NCERT, the NCERT microorganism. Now we have bioreactive molecules. There are 2 bioreactive molecules mentioned in NCERT. दोनों ही बहुत important है. ये वाला क्वेश्चन, ये जो एक हमारे पास ये एक पैराग्राफ है chemical, enzyme and bioreactive molecules. इधर chemicals mentioned है, in the next para enzymes, and in this para the bioreactive molecules are mentioned. From this paragraph you will get one question in your 12th class board exam, 100% इसमें से आएगा. और ये दोनों जो हैं ये तो किसी भी फॉर्म में पूछे ही जाते हैं. दैट इज साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए एंड स्टेटिन. साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए, it is prepared from Trichoderma polysporum. This bioactive molecule is used as immune